Harbor Freight just dropped some new super coupon deals, and it's going to be good until August 30th. So you do have a couple weeks to capture them. I'm going to show you the top deals to consider going for the super coupons. I'll also have a link down in the description below that'll take you to the super coupons page to where you can download them to your phone or computer. Now let's head to the first deal. All right, first up is going to be a deal on the Bauer 20 volt cordless 18 gauge crown stapler. It's a narrow crown stapler, and this one offers a tool-free depth of drive and switchable trigger on it, and this retails at 120 bucks, and you'll be able to pick it up for 90 bucks, which is saving 25% on that. So otherwise it's $30 off. If you're in need of a new air hose, they have a pretty good deal on this Merlin 1/4 inch by 100 foot poly air hose. Goes to a max PSI of 250, and the thread size is a 1/4 inch national pipe thread. The retail price on that one is 45 bucks. You'll be able to pick it up for 30 bucks, and that's saving 33% on that. It is a good deal. And they have pretty decent savings on this HVLP gravity feed spray gun by Central Pneumatic. Offers a 1.4 millimeter tip size and aluminum body, and offers a basic spray pattern. Retail price is 30 bucks, and you'll be able to save $10 on that. Pick it up for 20, which is 33% off. And they have a decent deal on this Pittsburgh 2-ton low profile floor jack. It goes to a max height of 16 7/8 inch and a minimum height of 3.5 inches. The normal retail price is $139.99, and you'll be able to pick it up for 100 bucks. That's saving $40 on that, and that's 28% off. So it's a decent deal. And they have okay savings on the Pittsburgh 1.5 ton aluminum floor jack. It goes to a max height of 13 7/8 inch and a minimum height of 3.5 inches. It does have one side carry handle and not on the other side. It does have a single wheel in the front, and the retail price is 110 bucks, and you'll be able to pick it up for 90 bucks, which is saving 20 bucks on that, and that's 18% off. And Harbor Freight has one other jack deal for you. It's on the Daytona 2-ton aluminum floor jack. That goes to a max height of 16 3/4 of an inch, a minimum height of 3.5 inches. It has a dual rapid pump to that as well. This one does have a handle on each side of the aluminum frame and the one solid wheel on the front. So this one retails at 230 bucks, and you'll be able to pick it up for 170 bucks. And that's saving 60 bucks on that. That's 26% off. It's a good deal. And they have okay savings on the Daytona 6-ton jack stands. It's a set of 2 of them. They go to a max height of 23 3/4 of an inch, a minimum height of 15 1/4 inch. It has a locking mobility pin, which is this right here, and they're made of solid steel panels. It's available in 6 different colors. The retail price is $80 on that, and you'll be able to pick them up for 65 bucks, which is saving 18% on those. Now we'll show you the tip on which ones you're going to want to pick up if you're in the market for the 6-ton jacks. Now, in case you missed my tip that I offered before on the 6-ton as well as the 3-ton, there appears to be 2 different factories that make these jack stands. So on the Daytona 6-ton jack stand, you do not want to select the one that's 15 1/8 inch minimum height. You want to go for the one that is a 15 1/4 inch minimum height. The metal on the base as well as the metal on the support bars are going to be a little bit thicker than the one that has the 1/8 inch minimum height. So those are the 2 differences for the 6-ton ones. Definitely select the one that has a little bit higher of a minimum height, 15 1/4 inch. If you're enjoying this video so far, I really appreciate you. Give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing for more tool deal videos like this. And if you're on a mobile device, be sure to hype the video, help spread the word to other tool deal enthusiasts, and I really appreciate that support. Now, let's go to the next deal. And another Pittsburgh item is going to be on the Automotive plastic fastener kit. It's a total of 240 pieces that has the different assortments of different styles of plastic clips. So it'd be a good one to have. And they say it's good for Ford, GM, Chrysler, Toyota, Honda, and more. The retail price on that is $19, and you'll be able to pick it up for 12 bucks. And that's saving 36% on that. So that is a good deal. And I know some of you commented and mentioned that you were waiting for a deal on some transmission jacks, and they actually have the deal on each of the ones that they have here. So the first one is going to be on the Pittsburgh 2,000 pound capacity. It goes to a max height of 31 inches, minimum height of 7 1/16 inch, and has an adjustable tilt saddle to that as well. So the retail price on this one is $380, and you'll be able to save $100 on that and pick it up for $280, and that's saving 26%. It's a pretty good deal. But if you don't need anything that robust as far as handling 2,000 pounds, they do have this 800 pound option. It goes to a max height of 23 3/4 of an inch, a minimum height of 8 inches. It also has that adjustable tilt saddle. The retail price on that one is 240 bucks, and you'll be able to pick it up for $170, saving 70 bucks on that, and that's 29% off. It's an excellent deal. Now here's something I haven't seen too often before. It's a simultaneous deal because because they do have a ITC deal on this Pittsburgh 10-ton heavy-duty hydraulic body repair kit, and it does include all these pieces with it in the hard plastic case with wheels, so you can move it all around easily. And the normal retail price on that is $270, and the ITC price is $190. But the super coupon is actually $180, so you're going to be able to save additional $10 compared to the ITC price. So saving a total of $90, that's 33% off. That's an excellent deal on it. And they have a Maddox deal on this 3-piece rear axle bearing puller set. It has these different sizes listed on there. It includes fittings for the main bearing tube and of these different dimensions. And this one retails at $29.99, and you'll be able to pick it up for $20, and that's saving 33% on that. Otherwise, $10 off. Another good deal. Next up is an Icon deal for you on the SAE and the metric sets of the Professional Impact swivel socket sets. So it's your option of either SAE or metric. They each retail for $120, and you'll pick it up for $90, saving $30 on that. That's 25% off. There's a decent deal on it. Obviously not as good of a deal that we've seen earlier this year when they had the 35% off on the sockets, but it's still a good one to go for if you need them. So the SAE is a 3/8 drive, and it ranges from size 5/16 up to 1 inch, and that's a 12-piece set, by the way. No skip sizing of the SAE. Metric set is a 10-piece set that ranges from 10 millimeter up to 19 millimeter. All right, this next item is going to be a Pittsburgh item on the 3/8 drive of the 6-piece hex bit socket set. I could not find the SAE version because it is also under the same coupon deal. So this metric one ranges from size 4 millimeter up to 10 millimeter, and it looks like it does skip 9 millimeter. And so there's actually a price discrepancy here at the store, because at my store they have it priced at $11, whereas on the coupon they say the regular price is $9. But regardless, the coupon price will be honored for $5.99, which is saving 33% based on that $9 price. So you're actually going to be saving more than that if your store happens to have it priced at $11 like mine does. And they have pretty good savings on this Pittsburgh 3-piece of the universal joint set that includes the 1/4 inch, 3/8 and 1/2 inch drive of the universal joints. And the retail price on this one is $10.99, and you'll be able to pick it up for $6.99, which is saving 36% on that. It's an excellent deal. And the next Pittsburgh item is going to be on this 22-piece screwdriver set that includes Torx, square, straight, and Phillips drivers. So 22 pieces total. Retail price is $11.99, and you'll be able to pick those up for $8, which is saving 33%. That's a pretty good deal. And they even brought on a deal on the Phillips number 2 4-inch screwdriver by Pittsburgh. So this is on the super coupon right now. The regular retail price is $2.49, and you'll be able to pick that up for $1.79, which is saving 28% on that one. So it's another good deal. And currently on the Dollar Days deals, they do have the regular screwdriver on that deal. So if you want a set, then be sure to pull up the Dollar Days coupons as well. Now, I know some of you have been waiting for a deal on this Predator Ghost engine. This might be a good time to pick it up. It's on the 212cc racing Ghost Kart racing engine. So the retail price on that was $330, and you actually be able to save $70 on that, pick it up for $280, and that's 20% off. So it's excellent savings on this engine. I think in the past we might have seen a 25% off on Predator engines, and who knows if we'll see a deal like that again anytime in the near future. So it would be a good time to pick that up. And if you do need to pick that up, then don't forget to go for the racing engine accessory kit for that Ghost engine. That's priced at $200. And they have pretty good savings on this Bunker Hill 1000 lumen LED solar light. So it has a solar panel integrated on the top part here. It has the motion sensor there on the front. And the retail price on it is $35. And you'll be able to save $10 on that, pick it up for $25. And that's going to be saving 28%. And they have great savings on this Bunker Hill 3-pack of the 1.5-inch laminated steel padlocks. The retail price on those are $6.99, and you'll be able to pick them up for $3.99, which is saving 42% on that. It's an excellent deal. And they have another padlock deal. It's going to be on the 2-pack of the 1.5-inch laminated steel padlocks with the long shackles to them. Retail price is $8.99, and you'll be able to save 22% on those and pick them up for $6.99. And they brought out a deal on the Icon 800 lumen rechargeable slim bar light. Now, it's not the best savings. We've seen better deals on it. It is priced at $40, and you can pick it up for $33, which is only saving 17% on that, which I would expect to get better deals on this light in particular, because they are going to be coming out with a new version at some point. So I'd maybe expect seeing better deals on it in the future. And they have a decent deal on the Bauer electric pressure washer. It is rated at 2300 psi, has a brushless motor to it, and it's also rated at 1.2 gallons per minute. It comes with a 25-foot hose and 12-inch wheels and the onboard soap tank. The retail price on that was 250 bucks, and you'll be able to pick it up for 200 bucks, saving $50 on that, and that's 20% off. It's a good deal. And they have pretty good savings on the Chicago electric chainsaw sharpener. I have heard many good reviews from you guys commenting on my videos about this in the past, that it is actually a pretty solid chainsaw sharpener. So it does include a 4.25 inch by 1/8 inch grinding wheel, and you can mount it to a bench, wall, or vise. The retail price on it is 35 bucks, and you'll be able to pick it up for 25 bucks, saving $10 on that, which comes to 28% off. Another good deal. And they have decent savings on this 1,000-pound rated mesh deck steel wagon. This one does not have the walls like the one below it does. So it is mainly a flat deck, but it does have a lip in there. And it's made of 10 gauge steel mesh, and it has 10-inch pneumatic tires. The retail price on this one is 100 bucks, and you'll be able to pick it up for 80 bucks. That's saving $20 on that, which is 20% off. And they have decent savings on this 14-inch pressure washer surface cleaner. It is rated up to a 3300 max PSI, so you put it on the end of the wand of your pressure washer. That makes the 14-inch wide surface that you can clean concrete, pavers, and other flat surface items like that. And this is all, it is rated for both gas and electric pressure washers, and it does have that universal quick connect fitting on it. So this one does retail at 50 bucks, and you'll be able to pick it up for $40. That's saving 20% on that. And they do have a pretty good deal on this Pittsburgh of the biker style pneumatic seat. It is rated up to 350-pound capacity. It goes from 21 inches to 26.5-inch seat height, so you can adjust it up. It has 2-inch swivel casters, and the seat on it does swivel 360 degrees. And the retail price is 110 bucks, and you'll be able to pick it up for 80 bucks, and that's saving $30 on that, and that's 27% off. So it is a good deal on it. And they did bring back a decent deal on this Icon 43-inch professional creeper. It's rated up to 400-pound capacity, has the 6-inch all-terrain casters, which is the reason why I think it should be branded as a Badland creeper. That's just my opinion. They do have lumbar and neck support on that, and a padded headrest. The retail price on that is 140 bucks, and you'll be able to pick it up for 110 bucks, saving $30 on that, and that comes to 21% off. And they have a pretty good deal on this Bauer wet dry vacuum. It is a 9-gallon, 4.5 peak horsepower. Comes with a 7-foot kink-resistant hose, and it has a washable cartridge filter with that. The normal retail price on this one is $80, and you'll be able to save $20 on that, pick it up for $60, which comes to 25% off. It is a good deal. And they have an awesome deal on this Bauer premium auto detailing accessory kit for both wet and dry vacs. So it comes with all these different accessories to it, including the hose that's 10 feet long, which is pretty long compared to other options out there. It also includes an adapter for 1.25 inch and up to 2.5-inch hose. So you can accommodate different size shop vacs with this kit. And the normal retail price on it is $29.99. And you'll be able to pick it up for $19.99, saving 33% on it. It's an excellent deal. And they have pretty good savings on this Franklin 150-pound capacity foldable hand truck. This part right here does fold down, collapses down, so it's nice and flat storage and easy portability, especially in a vehicle. I used to have one similar to this I'd use in a vehicle, and I'd haul cases of water with it. This does have a load capacity of up to 150 pounds, and the retail price on that one is 40 bucks, and you'll be able to pick it up for 30 bucks, and that's saving 25% on it. That is a good deal. And they have pretty good savings on this 30-inch by 18-inch Franklin moving dolly. It is rated at a 1,000-pound capacity. It has 3-inch swivel casters and the carpeted surface on the top side. Obviously it's upside down. The retail price is 20 bucks, and you'll be able to pick it up for 15 bucks, and that's saving 25% on that one. And they have okay savings on this Doyle professional flip utility knife. It is the Milwaukee Fastback knockoff, and it does offer a quick tool-free blade change, which is nice. And the retail price is 10 bucks on it, and you'll be able to pick it up for 8 bucks, and that's saving 20% on it. And they have a decent deal on this Yukon 36-inch by 18-inch 5-drawer tool cabinet. This is now available in 4 different colors. That is the blue, red, black, and then they have the new gray coming out that should be hitting stores now. I think my store might have one in the back. And the max weight capacity is rated at 1,200 pounds, and the retail price on it is 330 bucks. And you'll be able to pick it up for $280, and that's saving 15% on that. Otherwise, $50 off. And yeah, you could wait for a better deal, like a 20% off one item deal, whenever they'll do that next. But 15% off is still a decent deal considering it's a toolbox, and that's the minimum amount of savings I'd recommend going for a toolbox on. And they brought back a great deal on a US General magnetic hook that's rated up to 25 pounds of pull force. This is available in the different colors to match your US General toolbox. This retails at $7.99, and you'll pick it up for $4.99, which is saving 37% on that. So that is a good deal. And they also have a good deal in this US General 5-outlet heavy-duty power strip with 2 USB ports, and they are the regular style USB ports. And this is also available in the different colors to match your US General toolbox. This retails at $34, and you actually be able to pick it up for $24, which is an excellent deal, saving 29% on it. I think the best deal I've seen on it before is like around 25 or 26. So it'd be a good pickup at 24 bucks. And they have pretty good savings on the Yukon plastic 5-tier shelf. It's rated at 150 pound weight capacity per shelf. It's 36 inches wide by 18 deep and 72 inches high. And the retail price on that one is $60, and you'll be able to pick it up for $40, and that's saving 33% on it. So it is a great deal. And they have good savings on the military ammo can. It's a 30 cal one this time. The retail price is 14 bucks. How about saving 28% on that? Pick it up for $9.99. It is a good deal. And they have just mediocre savings on this US General magnetic power and air tool holder for your toolbox. This is only available in the black color, and the retail price is $22, and you'll be able to pick it up for $19, which is only saving 13% on it. I guess it's better to save 13% on it and get it now versus waiting for a 15% off one item, or just be patient for a 20% off one item deal. And they brought back a great deal on this Hercules 9-amp surface conditioning tool. So if you have a lot of grinding on different surfaces for metal prep and removing paint and different things, it has a 6-speed dial control, and the retail price is 140 bucks. And we've seen this deal before, priced at $99.99. It's saving 28% on that, and that's 40 bucks off. It's still a good deal, and I would recommend picking it up on sale versus waiting when it's not on sale, because they've had numerous deals on this in the past for 100 bucks. So good pickup at $100. It has good reviews on it, and they do have many different varieties of the different surface conditioning drums, including a crimped steel wire, a 40 grit, 60 grit, a buffing wheel, a 240 grit, and a 120 grit. So they have many different bases covered for this tool. And they have decent savings on this Bauer 1/2-inch D-handle drill. It has a 9-amp motor to it. It goes from 0 to 1200 reps per minute, and it's a variable speed trigger with that. The retail price on it is $60, and you'll be able to pick it up for $48, and that's saving 20% on that. And they have a pretty good deal on this Hercules 7.5-inch auger bit set. So it's a 3-piece set that has a 1/2-inch, 3/4, and 1-inch bits. That's good for cutting into wood as well as nail embedded wood. And it has a 7/16 hex shank to that. Retail price is 28 bucks, and you'll actually be able to save 33% on that. Pick it up for $20. That is an excellent deal. Next up is going to be on the Hercules Universal portable bandsaw benchtop stand. It has 0 to 60-degree angle guides. You could use it in vertical or horizontal position. It's easily mountable, and it works with most deep cut bandsaws, not just Hercules. This retails at $120, and you'll be able to pick that up for 100 bucks, saving $20 on that. That's 17% off. And they have decent savings on the Meguiar's Ultra Pro finishing polish. It's the M210. The retail price is $38, and you'll be able to pick it up for 30 bucks, and that's saving 21% on it. It is a 32-ounce bottle, and decent savings of 21% off. All right, those are going to be the top super coupons I'm going to cover in this video. As I mentioned, there'll be more available online, so we'll have a link down in the description below, so you can go right to the website, check them all out. And if you did gain value from this video, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing for more tool deal videos like this, and I will see you in the next one. Crasher out.